Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called Rewarding Ways, and we're going to show you how you can earn money with Rewarding Ways and how you can easily withdraw it straight to your PayPal account. So without further ado, let's go and do a full Rewarding Ways review and find out how much money we can actually make. Okay, so as you can see here, we've come onto the rewardingways.com homepage, and it says get paid fast: PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, Tango Card, Bitcoin, and payments within 24 hours. It also says here what you'll get from the best paid survey site. Access to online paid surveys. You can make money online. You get paid today, and you can work from home. And there's even a free joining bonus. And you can join for free by just clicking here and obviously entering a few of your details. Now, if you want to know even more about Rewarding Ways and find out whether it is legit, etc., I can vouch for it, and we'll show you that very shortly, how we can actually earn money and actually withdraw money straight to your PayPal account. As you can see here, they're also got a Trustpilot. There's reviews on Trustpilot that you can go and check out. And if we go across there, as you can see here, it's got over 800 reviews and they've got an excellent rating. Their profile has been claimed and they are a verified customer. A verified company, which is all good stuff and really pointing in the way of a good company. As you can see here, some of the just read through some of these obviously reviews, and as you can see, people, the Rewarding Ways company, are actually replying to some of these reviews as well, which is all good stuff. So as you can see here further down, they've actually paid out over nearly $2.5 million to their members, which sounds an awful lot. But you've got to remember they have been going quite a while. You can watch. So it says here you can obviously earn cash. You'll be rewarded by completing paid surveys and online offers. Redeem your surveys using PayPal, Cash, Bitcoin, or Skrill. Get paid the same day. So earn points. Obviously, you can watch videos, take part in paid trials, answer survey questions, play online games, and offers to earn points. And then you can exchange those points for quick cash. And we're going to show you how you can do that right inside the site very, very shortly. Also, you can obviously earn gift cards as well if you didn't want to actually get paid in cash. But let's jump right in and actually go and have a look inside the actual Rewarding Ways website. Okay, so now we're inside the website, and as you can see here, you've got your Earn Money tab here, and there are loads of different survey sites you can actually go and sign up for and start taking different surveys. Okay, you've also got offer walls here, and again, you can actually use some of these. Lootably is just watching videos, and I say there are loads of different ones here. You can also get referral bonuses as well, and we'll go into that very shortly. There is a contest as well, $1,000 cash contest you can actually go towards, and this is where you can actually get your rewards tab. And as you can see, I've actually earned $1.11 already, and I've only literally just come in and just taken one quick survey. And also look out for some of these survey sites because they'll actually give you extra money or points at various different times. As you can see, this one here is paying you an extra 15% more, and this one here called AdSend is actually giving you for a limited time 50% extra for a limited time. Now, once you've actually come on and you've done some of your actual profile, you will actually start to get offers of some surveys. Okay, and these will come down here. The latest surveys from this company here, CPX, and as you can see, $1 there, 34 cents, 24 cents, 24 cents, 27 cents, just for 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. So as you can see, if you are accepted for some of these surveys, it doesn't take long before you can then start racking up a few dollars. And got to remember that these sites, you will probably only earn a few dollars every single day. But if you did come in and do that, then it wouldn't be long before you could actually get a reasonable amount of a side hustle going that could obviously pay, let's face it, for extra fuel for the car, or even your electricity or utility bills. So everyone's looking to earn extra cash, and Rewarding Ways is as good as any. It really is. It's so easy to actually go and do. Now, I came in, as you can see here, view my history. I actually came in today, which is the 24th. I got a sign-up bonus of 20 cents. And if you actually want to go and join Rewarding Ways, check out the link below here. Because if you click that link in the description, then you will also get your 20 cents sign-up bonus. And although that doesn't seem a lot, it does get you up and running, which is good. And as you can see here, I've also got a credit, which I've done points into cash, which has given me 91 cents. And I actually done an offer, which actually gave me points. Okay, and they're just as good, guys. It doesn't really matter whether you take one that's giving you cash straight away or points, because what happens is when you get the points, if you come over to your rewards tab and you click on convert points to cash, and then all you literally do is, so if we have more points here, we could literally go here to say convert points to cash, and we'd literally log in the amount of points we want to exchange, and then just put convert to cash, and it goes straight into your balance straight away. And another great thing about Rewarding Ways is you can obviously withdraw to PayPal and Skrill, some really good payment processors. So if you wanted to start withdrawing, you can come across again to the rewards tab, click on withdraw cash. Now it does say here, it says all payments are viewed and paid within 24 hours maximum, but more commonly between 2 and 8 hours with our 8-hour payment promise. Okay, so then if I registered this today in the PayPal and then withdrew, which is, I'm going to just show you how we can do that very shortly. Then, but when I edit the video, I'll do an update and probably do just tell you exactly how long it took to get into my PayPal account. So let's just go and do that right now. Like I say, the beauty of this of Rewarding Ways, the minimum payout is just $1. So this makes it really useful, because if you just do a couple of surveys in one day, you could probably withdraw that money straight away. You haven't got to wait an awful long time to go and build up your up to $10 or something like that. You can then do this, and it gives you more of an incentive, I think, to go and do more surveys and more offers, etc. Because you're going to be able to see the proceeds come into your bank account straight away. So we're going to withdraw the full amount, and we're going to go and draw it into my PayPal account, and you literally just click withdraw. Okay, so it says here, it says I'm a new member, so you have to account verified required, get verified. So I need to go and verify my account before I can do that. All we do is literally scroll down and say, and these are all the countries that are available, guys. So this is near enough a worldwide opportunity, and as you can see, there are loads of different countries that they actually cover by the looks of it. I'm in the United Kingdom, and I'm going to put my mobile address in there. And what I'm going to say is I'm going to get them to call me. Okay, as you can see, they've called straight away.
Hello. Your phone verification code is 83125. Once again, your code is 83125.
There you go. So that's all I needed to do. Hit the verify, and there we go. I've got success. So that's as easy as you need to do. So how long did that take? A few seconds, and we've done it live on the video, guys. We can now go back to our rewards, and what it's done, it's actually withdrawn the cash there. So that is really super fast. And as you can see, it will take 2 to 8 hours to actually go into my PayPal account. So I will obviously be editing this at a later date anyway, so I'll be able to tell you exactly at this point now how long it took to actually go into my PayPal account. So definitely with rewarding ways, it's definitely a good way that you can actually earn some extra cash. Like I say, it's very, very simple to do, easy to join. And like I say, if you did want that 20 cents joining bonus, then obviously click on the link below in this description here. And then sign yourself up. It takes 2 seconds to sign up. The more information you can put on your profile, and certainly in other places as well, then make sure you put as much as you can, because then the surveys will be then targeted more to you and you're more likely to get accepted for the surveys. Like all the survey sites, you do get some surveys that you're not able to do, and some of them do give you like 1 point or something like that for just trying. But like I say, at the end of the day, you will probably come across one of the sites that you prefer better, one of these that you tend to get more surveys on. I've always found that this one here is quite a good one as well, and the paid surveys is quite good as well. Do tend to get most of the surveys be accepted for on those particular survey sites. So check those out when you actually come in and see if that's the same for you. But this will vary from country to country. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.